Morning breaks over mountain stone, empty trains on rusty rails. Promise maker came from far away. In my hand, your written word, salvation spelled in black and white. Your heart's as black as the coal that died. You left our town with broken pride. Your heart's as black as the coal that died. Mountains weep tonight. Papers signed in early spring, sweet talk filled with empty things. Watch the miners pack their tools away. Every lie you softly spoke, every hope gone up in smoke, up in smoke. Your heart's as black as the coal that died. You left our town with broken pride. Your heart's as black as the coal that died. Mountains weep tonight. Down in the deep, where darkness sleeps, the truth lies buried in stone. Hollow words and hollow halls, photographs on crumbling walls, ghost town rising day by day. Should have known the devil's deal would leave these wounds that never heal, never heal. Your heart's as black as the coal that died. You left our town with broken pride. Your heart's as black as the coal that died. Mountains weep tonight. Mountains will rise again. Mountains will rise again. Mountains will rise. Mama said don't tell us so about what happens down below, in the copper pots that shine like the stars of old times. Just watch and learn, she said to me. This craft runs in our family. Midnight copper runs in my veins. Can't wash it out, can't break these chains. Born to keep this fire burning bright. Guardian of the mountains night. Guardian of the mountains night. They came sniffing around last week, badges flashing, trying to peek. But I slayed it sweet. What I smiled and played it sweet, while the still ran deep and clean. 10 generations taught me well how to keep our secrets sealed. Midnight copper runs in my veins. Can't my grandma's days. This mountain bows to no one's rain. So come and try to shut us down. We'll be vapor in the ground. Every stream and hollow here knows just who to hide and clear. This ain't some game of cat and mouse. This is blood and mountain crowd. Midnight copper runs in my veins. Can't wash it out, can't break these chains. Born to keep this fire burning bright. Guardian of the mountains night. Guardian of the mountains night. Through the window, looking out tonight, past the stations, into black and white. Can't slow down now, something pulls me on. Every mile marker says I still belong. These wheels beneath me, rolling endlessly, moving forward, can't stop moving. Part of me. Racing onwards through the night, never resting, never right. Empty benches, silent in the cold. Faded ticket, growing old and old. Towns are sleeping as I pass them by, looking backward at the distant sky. These wheels beneath me, rolling endlessly, moving forward, can't stop moving. Part of me. Morning's breaking on the distant ridge, crossing over one more iron bridge. Feel the rumble deep within my bones. Every station feels less like home. These wheels beneath me, rolling endlessly, moving forward, can't stop moving, moving. Part of me, moving forward, moving forward, moving forward.
these stone walls, following footsteps of those before. Chainmail weighs heavy on my shoulders, but something else weighs even more. These fortress walls can't contain what's inside. When I hear that music, I know where I reside. Found an old banjo in the tower room, strummed it quiet in the dead of night. Captain says to focus on my duties, but these strings, they feel so right. These fortress walls can't contain what's inside. When I hear that music, I know where I reside. Standing at attention day after day, but my fingers keep tapping out rhythms they play. Used to watch for dangers from beyond the gate, now I'm watching sunsets thinking about my fate. Every guard rotation brings me closer to knowing that the life I'm living ain't the path I'm going. Trading sword practice for picking patterns, breaking every rule that ever mattered. And many yell about discipline and pride, but I got different battles raging deep inside. Started sneaking down to the village square, playing tunes with folks who gathered there. They don't care about my uniform or rank, just care about the music straight and frank. Now I'm caught between two different lives, but only one of them makes me feel alive. Hey Commander, I got something to say. Put down my sword today. Music's calling loud and clear, and I ain't staying here. You can keep your stone and steel, I found some real. Fortress walls can't contain what's inside. When I hear that music, I know where I reside. Watch me walking through that castle gate, with nothing but my banjo, can't hardly wait. Found my freedom in these 5 strings. Now I know just what life can bring. Working hands know what to yield. Something calls from far away, like a friend from yesterday. La la la, the distance fades to blue, when ancient voices ring so true. Strings speak the same in any tongue, every note feels like coming home. Through the mountains and across the seas, these strings speak the same in any tongue. Found it dusty in the barn, wood worn smooth like well-up yarn. 6 steel strings began to ring, teaching me just how to sing. Hi-ya, hi-ya, hi-ya. These strings speak the same in any tongue. Every note feels like coming home. Through the mountains and across the seas, these strings speak the same in any tongue. These strings speak the same in any tongue. On the porch at sundown, picking strings just like before. Something different in the distance, calling through an open door. The old ways meet the new ground, where the mountains touch the steel. Found heaven in the breakdown, when your thunder met my strings. Found heaven in the breakdown, now my soul is taking wings. Electric current flowing through these weathered wooden beams. Never thought these hands could follow where your lightning splits the seams. The past breaks through tomorrow as the notes begin to change. Found heaven in the breakdown, when your thunder met my strings. Found heaven in the breakdown, now my soul is taken away. Between what was and what could be. Your power and my roots now set this mountain music free. Every note that we're creating builds a bridge across the void. Ancient tones and modern ranging, two worlds perfectly employed. Found heaven in the breakdown, when your thunder met my strings. Found heaven in the breakdown, now my soul is taken away. Found heaven in the breakdown. Behind, but I turned and walked away. Now I can't make it stay. These strings will guide me home, back where I belong. These strings will guide me home, where I can right my wrong. Empty halls and stage lights, living for Friday nights, playing fast, playing mean,
chasing that Nashville dream. But the crowd's getting thin, and the road's wearing in. Every mile, every show pulls me back home, I know. These strings will guide me home, back where I belong. These strings will guide me home, where I can right my wrong. Standing at the old dirt road, mountain air feels like gold. Father's porch light earned by, but when he know for the fight. Staring at the old burning gold, mountain air feels I know. Father post night burning bright, hoping he won't up a fight. Banjo case in my hand, knocking on door again. Daddy opened slow and wide, I'm a-crying inside. All these years on my own, finally learned what's home. Should've never gone away, now I'm here to stay. Can right my wrong, where I can right my wrong, where I can
Another long night shift alone. The autumn wind starts to moan. My shovel strikes familiar ground, while crickets make their gentle sound. The names on the stone they call to me, more comfort than most company. Sweet company. Oh, the midnight hour brings peace of mind, when the living all fall behind. These marble friends of mine, they stay till morning drives them all away, all away. They share such tender memories of love and loss beneath these trees. I trace their dates with gentle hands, while time slips through like grains of sand. The tales they tell, they set me free, they set me free from all the world expects of me. Oh, the midnight hour brings peace of mind, when the living all fall behind. These marble friends of mine, they stay till morning drives them all away, all away. The daylight world won't understand why I choose to make my stand here among the silent roads, where truth and wisdom freely flows. So let them wander, let marble friends of mine, they stay till morning drives them all away. These friends of mine, they'll always stay.
Ancient stones and mountain air, warriors gather, say a prayer. From the peaks we watch them come, 10,000 torches in the night. Ancestral blade begins to hum as bagpipes call us to the fight. Through the mist they march below, our archers ready, arrows drawn. The ancient ways they'll never know, we'll stand until the breaking dawn. For the mountain kingdom's pride, to kingdom's pride, till the last warrior dies. Steel on steel and battle cries, the ram strikes hard against our gates. Highland warriors rise and rise as destiny anticipates. The ancient runes upon the wall remind us what we're fighting for. Though many brave ones need to fall, we'll guard these peaks forevermore. For the mountain kingdom's pride, till the last warrior dies. Our fathers held these heights through countless wars and endless nights. And by the ancient mountain code, not one step back, we hold our own. Breaks over crimson snow, our banners flying high and free. The enemy retreats below, the mountains stay with you and me. The price we paid in blood and bone to keep our kingdom wild and strong. These peaks will always call our home, history will be our song. For the mountain kingdom's pride, till the last warrior dies. The mount stands today, the mountain kingdom stands today.
Still hangs on the wall. 10 acres left is all I own. Used to see mountains touch the sky, now just fences and polished stone. These hills don't know your name, don't know your name. Bought what was left to claim, yours to claim. Our roots run deeper than your deeds, more than paper, more than greed.
trucks roll in before the dawn, breaking ground that ain't for sale. New paint on ancient timber boards, your money can buy our tales. These hills don't know your name, don't know your name. Bought what was never yours to claim. Our roots run deeper than your deeds, more than paper, more than greed. Built by hand, carved from pine, sacred ground, blood and time. Not for sale, not today. Can't buy what will through our veins. Seven generations in this soil, each footprint tells our story true. You may build your mansions high, but these hills, they remember who. These hills don't know your name, don't know your name. Bought what was never claimed, yours to claim. Our roots run deeper than your deeds, more than paper, more than greed. Our roots run deeper than your greed. Mountain frost bites at my bones tonight. Through the pines a misty veil. Something's different in these hills, I know. Can't feel warmth, can't feel the trail. They thought they'd silence my cries, but mountain spirits last and last. Still running clear as mountain streams. Still running, my spirit flows through these ravines. They can't stop what they can't see. Still running clear, still running free. Dee-dum, yeah, 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 yeah. Copper still lies broken in the cave, betrayed by those I called my friends. Now I walk these ridges as a shade, where justice and vengeance blend. They thought they'd silence my craft, but mountain spirits last and last. Still running clear as mountain streams. Still running, my spirit flows through these ravines. They can't stop what they can't see. Still running clear, still running free. How's my warning call? They'll learn to through hollow trees and valley tall. Their time is right. Every drop of shine they spill will haunt these mountains till they yield. Still running clear as mountain streams. yeah. Running clear, running free. Started on my grandpa's porch, playing tunes just like before. But something burned inside of me, calling out for something more. Every string I pluck and bend takes me where I've never been. Picking through the darkness tonight, finding my voice in the dead of night. Mountain songs ran through my blood till I heard that thunder roll. Heavy riffs and screaming strings shook me right down to my soul. Now I walk between two worlds where tradition meets the stars. Picking through the darkness tonight, finding my voice in the dead of night. They said, boy, you've lost your way, but they don't understand what these hands were meant to play. From the mountains to the pit, I found where I belong. Picking through the darkness of night, finding the voice in the dead of night.
Finding my voice in the dead of night.
Picking through the darkness tonight.
Mountains through the pines and morning frost, been here since time forgot. Strangers walking up my path, don't know what they've got. What they've got. I gave you fair warning, the signs were all there, but you keep on coming in. Think I wouldn't dare. This mountain's got teeth. Run while you can breathe. This mountain's got teeth, and they're hungry tonight. Every footstep marks your fate. My land won't hesitate. Ancient ways we still protect. No time left to wait. I hear you coming with your paper and pen. Ain't nothing here for sale, won't tell you again. This mountain's got teeth. Run while you can breathe. This mountain's got teeth, and they're hungry tonight. la la, la la la. You'll never take this from me. La la la, la la la. Some things are meant to be free. These long way you can breathe. Can't breathe, these mountains got teeth. And they're hungry tonight. They're hungry tonight. They're hungry tonight. Far from where I used to be, these mountains speak to me. Rolling whips through ancient pines left what I knew behind. Every step takes me higher, through rain and through fire. Thunder in my bones, lightning in my soul. Nature's fury makes me whole, wild and uncontrolled. Breathing in the mountain air, finally feel alive up here. Storm clouds gather overhead, breaking chains of what you said. Find the strength in solitude, where the wild things brew, wild things brew. Feel it rising, rising, power flowing through these veins. Rising, rising, like a storm that breaks its chains. Thunder in my bones, lightning in my soul. Nature's fury makes me whole, wild and uncontrolled. Standing on the highest peak, found the strength that I did see. Every breath becomes a prayer, every storm leads me there.